Hello! Welcome to the Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. In today's video, we'll dive into the evolution of partner portal software, highlighting the significance of hyper-personalization, the power of deep do-it-yourself admin capabilities, and the innovative concept of minimum viable portals. Evolution of partner portal software. A brief overview. Let's begin with an overview of the journey partner portal software has taken. Phase 1. The early days. In the early days, partner portals were static and limited. They served as information hubs, providing basic support and marketing materials. Phase 2. Growing pains. Phase 2 saw growth, but also challenges. Advanced features like lead distribution emerged, but customization was limited. Phase 3. The modern era. Today, partner portal software is accessible, scalable, and highly customizable, fostering collaboration and streamlining processes. Hyper-personalization, a key to success. Now, let's explore the key to success in complex ecosystems. Hyper-personalization. Key benefits of hyper-personalization. Hyper-personalization enhances engagement, productivity, communication, trust, and loyalty among partners. Deep DIY admin capabilities. Next, discover how deep DIY admin capabilities reduce costs and speed up deployment. Advantages of deep DIY admin. Customization, integration, and agility empower organizations to control their portal efficiently. Minimum viable portal. Launch, grow, automate. MVP. Next, we introduce the concept of the minimum viable portal, a strategy for gradual portal expansion. Stage 1. Launch. Stage 1 focuses on launching the portal with core functionalities and establishing a strong foundation. Stage 2. Grow. In Stage 2, advanced features are added based on feedback and evolving needs, ensuring continuous improvement. Stage 3. Automate end-to-end. Finally, Stage 3 involves automating processes, enhancing efficiency, and integrating with other systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, the evolution of partner portal software has led us to embrace hyper-personalization, deep DIY admin capabilities, and the minimum viable portal approach. These concepts not only meet today's demands, but also pave the way for future growth and success. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolution of partner portal software. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations in the world of technology. Thank you for watching Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button to stay informed on a variety of best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, process, people, and technology platforms. Hope to connect with you soon and have a great day!